Organize your tasks, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful topic: how to organize your tasks. Whether you're studying, working, or just trying to get through your daily to-do list, knowing how to effectively organize your tasks can make your life a whole lot easier. So, let's get started and uncover some strategies that can help you stay on top of your game. To organize your tasks means to arrange or plan your work, study, or activities in an orderly or systematic way. It involves prioritizing what needs to be done, deciding when and how to do it, and setting up a system that makes it easy for you to manage your responsibilities. The goal is to increase efficiency and reduce stress by having a clear plan of action. Organizing your tasks is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you focus on what's important, ensuring that you're working on tasks that align with your goals or deadlines. Secondly, it reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed by breaking down your workload into more manageable pieces. Lastly, organized tasks lead to better time management, giving you more control over your day and allowing for flexibility when unexpected things come up. Step 1. List down all your tasks. Start by writing down everything you need to do. This can be on a piece of paper, a digital app, or any tool that you find convenient. The key is to get all your tasks out of your head and into a visible format. Step 2. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Identify which tasks are most important or urgent. You can use the Eisenhower box technique to categorize tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This will help you focus on what truly matters. Step 3. Set deadlines. Assign a deadline to each task, even if it doesn't have one. Deadlines encourage you to complete tasks in a timely manner and help you plan your work schedule more effectively. Step 4. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can seem daunting. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes it easier to start and continue working on a task without feeling overwhelmed. Step 5. Choose a tool to track your tasks. There are many tools available to help you organize your tasks, from simple to-do lists to comprehensive project management software. Choose one that fits your needs and stick with it to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Organizing your tasks isn't a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process. Be prepared to adjust your plans as new tasks come up or priorities change. Staying flexible and adapting your task organization strategy as needed is key to managing your workload effectively. We hope this guide on how to organize your tasks has been helpful. Remember, the essence of task organization is not just about planning but also about reducing stress and making room for the things that matter most to you. Start small, be consistent, and soon you'll find that organizing your tasks becomes a valuable part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.